Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited because I have our first beauty box for the month, at least mine, and it is the Allure beauty box for October 2019. October. Can you believe it, guys? Oh my goodness. Just hearing myself say it shook me a little bit. Allure is a beauty subscription box that you generally get 5 or 6 deluxe full-size, sample-size products. It really varies month to month. It is $15. I will put my link below if you have any interest in joining. I'm anxious to get in here. I remember that there were spoilers. Don't remember exactly what they were though, so I'm sure that when I see them I'll be like, oh yeah. But when we open the box, we have right on top, and I took off the outer packaging because it was a little schmutzy, but when we open the inner box, this is our pamphlet that will tell us what we need to know about all of these products that are in here. Oops, more pamphlet. I have another piece of paper, and then these are our products for the month. Let's dig in here and see. Some Allure months are like blow your mind incredible. One month we got so much huge Sunday Riley. It was incredible. Last month, So let's see where this month comes out in it. Okay, so the book will tell us about each of the things we receive from the perspective of one of their editors, but I still find it generally to be really good information. So let's dig in and see what there is. Right on top, I have Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Saint-Tropez. This is the first beauty box that I've done since I moved in closer. I think that's true, right? That was so easy. Let's open it and see what the inside. So what have you guys been up to? It's been a hot minute since we've had a beauty video. These are so pretty. They're real brown. They're all very shiny. It's kind of a goldish, a medium brown, kind of coppery, and a darker brown. They're super pretty though, but you couldn't do, or I couldn't do an eye look with it because it doesn't have a matte. And I have to have a matte, but let's swatch them. Oh, they're pretty. They're very metallic, but I think that's what it claimed. And it's super pretty. See how that's got the super light one here, and then the darker one and the coppery one. Very pretty. Let's see what the book says about it. This palette creates sexy, bronzy, smoky eyes in less than 2 minutes, maybe less than 90 seconds. See, I just don't think I can create a look with it. Let me know below. What do you guys think? Do you use a matte? Like I feel like, and I don't know if it's an age thing, I feel like I need a matte in the crease, that if I put a shimmer or shine in the crease, it's just not. Also, I have hooded lids, so that could be part of it. But anyway, it says that the powders blend well without any flakes or fallout, and the color payoff is intense. And it is a $13 value. So that's pretty cool. Next, we have M61 Powerful Skincare Power Glow Peel, and it is a 1-minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and not open it. I mean, I'll open it and show you guys, but I'm not going to open one of the pouches because I'm not using this. Anything called a 1-step facial peel. I'm shaking in my boots. I am shaking in my boots. Let's see what this says. It says that it is a $30 value for 10 treatments, and we received 3. So that makes this about $6.60 worth. Okay, this says M61 Power Glow Peel. My skin is easily irritated, so I usually stay away from peels, but this one is a fan favorite. People go crazy for it on Reddit, so I risked a full body rash to try it. The glycolic and salicylic acid formula couldn't be more user-friendly. It's preloaded onto pads that you swipe on, and that's it. You're done. She said she used one on her forehead to her décolletage. After a few minutes, her skin was noticeably smoother, and the initial touch of pinkness she'd noticed had faded. Well, we'll see. We'll think about it. Since it is a pack of 3, I could just try 1 since it wouldn't ruin the other 2, but that makes me nervous. Has anybody ever tried this? Let me know if you've tried this and if you've had any luck. Let's see what we have next. I have a Lumify. I have medicine. Bausch & Lomb Lumify. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. It's eye drops. It's eye drops. Let's see what the book says. It doesn't have anything in here that describes it. It's just the ad on the back of the pamphlet. Very interesting. You won't believe your eyes. Lumify eye drops dramatically reduce redness to help your eyes look whiter and brighter for up to 8 hours. I don't really have an eye, do I? I don't think I really have an eye redness problem, so I will set that aside. Interesting, and we'll move on. Next I have, oh, this is full, it's heavy, from Nipe, since 1891, mineral bath salt, Dream Away, valerian, and hops with essential oils, and it is 2.1 ounces. That is what that looks like. And let's see what the book says. It says that this pre-dose packet has just the right amount of salts for one bath. And she says when she dumped them into the water, something unexpected happened. It turned bright, and I am talking bright electric blue. Interesting. It was definitely playful, even though I was a little worried it would stain my tub or my skin, but neither of these things happened. There was no Smurf effect. Oh, it's adorable. She says it smelled like lavender and eucalyptus, and her skin felt really soft after she got out. The smell is calming. Price $20 for this? I'll buy it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. No, for 5 of these. This is a $4 value. This is not really adding up this month. Did we talk about what the Lumify? Oh, it didn't tell me what it was worth. Hold on, I'll be right back. The Lumify says that it's worth $11.99. I find that fairly impressive. All right. Oh, how cute is he? It's a tiny little Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. So cute, guys. I actually have a couple of these big ones working, so I will set this aside too. It is 0.84 fluid ounces. I still think that's considered like their smallest size or their large sample. We'll see what it says. Sol de Janeiro's Classic Body Moisturizer with capuachu butter. You think I would learn to say that as many of these as we get. It's both richly emollient and non-greasy. It's sugary, buttery, and beachy, like fresh coconuts, sweet popcorn. I don't get popcorn out of Sol de Janeiro. Do you guys? I get it out of the Coco Cabana. Oh, it's sealed. I'm not going to open it because I'll probably give it away. Okay, let's see what this little guy is worth. This is considered a purse size, and it has a $10 value. Okay, next we have Highlights Metallic Eyeshadow by Model & Co. Well, I'll show you guys the color, and then I will also set this aside. I have tried time and time again to like liquidy eyeshadows. I know. People are like, just swipe it on and go on with your day, and you'll just have a... I can't. It just doesn't look good on me. Okay. And this baby is black. It's got a little glitter in it. I'll get it close. I hope that's coming through so you guys can see it. But it is called Granite. Let's see what the book says. This black and silver cream shadow dries quickly and looks fresh for hours after application. It says it doesn't crease. Swipe it across your lids for a metallic effect that's smoky and sultry, and tap the edges with a clean fingertip to blend them out to get a haze. And it says that it has a $9 value. Well, that is very cool. If you like liquid eyeshadows and black eyeshadows and all of that, I'm going to set that aside. And last but not least, and I was so excited for this, we have the Sunday Riley Ice. I tried the title. Big mistake. This whole situation turned bright blooming red. So the next time that I went to Sephora, I actually took some of this. And I didn't try it on my face because I'm way too OCD and germophobic to put on my face. But I put it on the back of my hand and it felt fantastic. And it smelled lovelier. It still does. It just smells kind of creamy and marshmallowy. I really enjoy the scent of it. And it's a good little amount for trying. I mean, it's tiny. Don't get me wrong. This is a little guy. Not like La Mer tiny. You know how those little La Mer samples are tiny? But that is what it looks like. And it's a ceramide moisturizing cream, and it's 0.3 ounces. If you could bottle glowy, dewy radiance, you'd arrive at this brand new moisturizer from Sunday Riley. It reminds me of a little icing in the tub. It's thick and smells like vanilla. I kind of get that. But this cream melts into skin fast as serum. It's really good at hydrating dry complexions. evening rough, scaly spots. That makes me a little nervous. The formula is loaded with ceramides, which creates a physical barrier to keep moisture locked in. So that is really cool. A full size is $65. So that means that this much is worth $10.40. Okay guys, that's the Allure box this month. So it has a decent value if you'll use all of the products. Because we had, I'm going to do this off the top of my head, $10.40 for the Sunday Riley, $10 for the Sol de Janeiro. The eyelights were $9. This bath salt is $4. These glow peels were like $6. The Model Co eyeshadows were $13. And then the Lumify rounding was $12. So that gives us a total value of about $65 for a box that was $15. So numbers wise, that was pretty good. So let me know, what do you think? Do you think it was worth it this month? I always say Allure's like either like wow or meh. For me personally, this leans a little towards meh. But like I said, it's a great value. It's got the nice bath, face peel, body lotion for after bath, eye reddening. It's like a night out. I am super excited personally to have a chance to try the ice. You guys know I am allergic to so much, so to have the opportunity to try it this much, I am really excited about. These eyeshadows are beautiful. They're just not, I have to use them with other things, but they're still gorgeous colors. I mean, they're gorgeous colors. And then this eyeliner. And luckily for me, what I don't use every day, I can put in giveaways. And I have a second Allure box coming now. I did 2 accounts to increase the odds that I would get one sooner. So I will get to double down and try that ice. So I'm really excited about that part. But let me know what you guys think. And also, and speaking of future giveaways, I did a random comment selector for the Teami face mask giveaway that I was having. And I let the winner know down underneath, and it was Mary Guerrero. I also let her know on Insta, and I put up a little video of me actually doing the comment selector. So go over and follow me on Insta. It's a great way to get up-to-date information. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I am waiting patiently. I know my Boxycharm has shipped. I know my FabFitFun edit sale has shipped. Just waiting. I can't wait. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And thanks so much for being here, guys.